Take a bow. You have hosted royalty tonight. Lionel Messi has conquered the Deccan. Wow. Once again.
Yeah, and look at the gratitude being exchanged by Messi. He says, Revanth Reddy ji, you go kick and give it to the crowd. So that is what sport brings to us. See, as he gave the ball back to the CM and he kicked it. So that is where sport unites everybody. Being low, being weak, and making sure that you achieve so much in life is something not is done day in and day out. It's a very rare what he is as a good leader, good administrator of the state Telangana right here. He's made sure the arrangements and of course, you know, the place what it is, so much more warmth that's been coming across. So many fans showing their love as well. And on that note, definitely we should be even thanking the special teams as well, the special security teams, the SPG teams, of course the police department, of course, of Telangana. Really well done. Thank you so much to the, more importantly, I should also be saying, okay, huge accolades to Prasar Bharati team as well, DD Sports, everybody, the lensmen, and of course all the panels, the producers, the units, the audio. Wow, who is that little superstar next to the Chief Minister of Telangana himself? Does he realize that he's standing next to the Chief Minister? I don't think so. I don't think so. He's passed the ball to Messi. What an occasion here it is. This is not promoting Gen Z's football dreams. It is also promoting Gen Alpha's football dream. He's a Gen Alpha standing right there to Mr. Revanth Reddy himself. He's a Gen Alpha lad. Didn't even realize what he's doing. There he goes with another kick. It's a strong one.
For sure, this kid will definitely keep this memory alive for his lifetime, Naveen.
No doubt at all. His parents will be so proud. His parents will be so happy with these moments. They will go out there and say a lot of stories. They will actually, I'm so happy that they will fund his dreams. That's really important because, yeah, I keep saying play sport, but I'll tell you what, playing any kind of sport, of course, has a little bit of monetary funding that needed from the parents and everybody. Yeah, so I guess that lad is definitely got his dad to sign his coaching classes for sure in football.
That should happen. Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium glowing under the floodlights. The usual cricket pitch is gone, replaced by a pristine green football turf. The stands are packed with almost 55,000 people holding flashlights and everything we can witness here. The happiness on the faces of these footballers here, the young talents. We can see the group pick.
Yeah, totally. I'm so overwhelmed here because the